Are you tired of not getting time to plan your revision? Well, worry not, because we have developed an app Second Brain right for this problem. It's easy to use and helps developing revision schedule quickly in just 2 simple steps. Step 1 is to input subject, chapter, and topic, along with your topic familiarity and how important the topic is. Entering these will help you stay organized. Now step 2 is uploading resources. We offer several options to upload resources, whether it be audio, video, PDF notes, or simple text, and a lot more. Our AI is capable of analyzing the material and developing an assessment test for you through natural language processing. Now you can either take the test, or you can directly share the duration it would require you to study and the level of your topic understanding. And finally, submit. There you go. AI just developed you a revision plan. Also, you can manually edit the plan. So from now on, every time a topic needs revision, Second Brain will be right there to notify you.